Hello you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel! It has been so long since I've made a YouTube video. My life has been absolutely crazy lately, but as you guys can tell, I'm back in New York. I just moved a few days ago. I'm just still unpacking, getting my whole new setup ready. I'm getting right back into it and I'm so excited to get back to streaming. So I've had to move everything up from Florida up to New York, which means I have a whole new setup in store for you. With that being said, I have been trying to figure out for the longest time on what my New York setup is going to look like, what kind of lights I want. I've done strip lights, I've done backdrops, I've done green screens, I've done twinkle lights, I've done everything there is to so far with lighting, and there was one thing I have not quite tried yet, and I spent weeks trying to decide if it was the right purchase and whether I wanted to really do it or not. It's $200. Is it a good purchase? And I watched a ton of YouTube videos on it, and I caved and I got them. So let's get right into it. I officially made the purchase and it just came in the mail a few days ago, and I've been waiting for this day to finally set them up, but I officially bought the Twitch, I guess, certified, because like every Twitch streamer has these by this point, I feel like, but I officially got the Nanoleaf light panels, the Rhythmic Edition starter kit. It might be the stupidest $200 purchase I've ever made, or it might be the best one. I have no idea, but I have been wanting these for literally forever, and I was like, this is my chance. This is it. So we're going to unbox them, we're going to take a look, and then you guys are going to watch how I figure out quite how I'm going to set them up. So let's get started. I purchased these lights from Nanoleaf.com. I had been searching all over on YouTube and different kinds of reviews and what people thought about which was the best starter kit to start with, but I decided to get the 9 triangle kit because I thought it would be big enough where I can have enough to start with, but if I wanted to add more later, I also can too. I say we get right to it. Okay, so obviously I have to figure out how to open this thing. Oh, okay. I'm gonna need scissors. Hold on. So it's opened. It's ready. I don't know how to open this right now. Oh, it opens from the side. It opens from the side. Okay, maybe it's like. Okay, I got it. That was stressful, that was hard. The sleeve is like really tight, but it's cool. Very shiny, very cool. Just gonna throw that over there. Ooh, very cool looking. Very clean, very nice. Wow, that's what a triangle looks like, guys. I think it's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I kind of thought it was gonna be smaller, but I'm kind of happy that it's this big. It's almost as big as my face, is it? That was kind of stupid. Okay, never mind. There's obviously 9 triangles. I hope there's 9. I hope there's 9. Okay, there is 9. And I also have the power cord, which I found out you also need to plug them in. Nice. I'm assuming this goes into the lights, maybe? Yes. Yes. Perfect. So it looks like this plugs into the lights, probably the one that you want to use. This is another plug. Oh, perfect. Oh shit. Oh no. I don't have the converter. Oh god. Oh no. This might be really bad really fast. Hey, so we also, oh nice. So these are, I'm assuming, what makes them hang up. I've actually used these before. These were the only things we were allowed to use to hang up anything in my apartment in Japan, which sucked because it pulled off the wallpaper, which was really annoying, and then I had to pay for it, so that sucked. But I'm very familiar with these, so great. Hope those stay. So we have all the panels here. Obviously, you guys can see what they look like. I'm gonna have to play around with how they connect, but I'm assuming they, you know, kind of connect like so. I mean, we'll figure it out. Over here we have some more nice. Yep, we got some more of these too. A weird green sticker. Oh my god, thank god. I was about to say, oh, so they give you like, man, they really hook you up. They give you all the converters. Literally every single one. I was gonna say, because I first pulled out this and I was like, oh, oops. Then pull out this and I was like, oh shit, I don't have that converter either. And I just saw this at the bottom. So thank God, guys, we're fine. We're totally fine. Don't worry, they have all the converters for you. They got you freaking hooked up. You're fine. Looks like down here we have, oh, some more. Oh, these are like the little power strips that you can put between them too. Nice. Cool. Well, guys, that looks like that's about it. So here's what they look like. That looks like it's about it. So let's start figuring out what the heck I'm gonna do. Let's start figuring out what design I want to put them up in. Let's go. And they are officially up. So this is the setting that I got straight from the website. It's called like the Lazy Pac-Man or something. I don't know, I thought it was really cute though, but this is the romantic setting light. This one might be my favorite. This one is definitely my second favorite, being at Northern Lights, which is really pretty. I love this one. And with this one being my third favorite, which is called Forest. These are the color combinations that it comes with, but there's so many more that you can download. You can even make some yourself. But so far, I am loving these colors. Well guys, that concludes the end of this YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed putting up my light panels with me, and if you'd like to see them in action, go check out my Twitch stream, raresosa_ on Twitch. It's also raresosa on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and Twitch. I think I said that. But anyways, guys, it was awesome hanging out with you. But I really appreciate everything, guys, and your constant support means so much to me. Can't wait to see you back on the stream again, and have a wonderful, safe day.